How to add business hour widget to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or display business hours widget to your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first we have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it, and then in the online store, you can go to edit theme here. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. Now, let's say I want to add the business hour in the home page. So I'm gonna click add section here in the template tab. Click add section, and then we can search custom for custom liquid. This one, click on it. And then as you can see, you can set the name, and then you can put the code here. So in order to get the business hour widget code, you can go to elfsite.com. You can sign up for an account. After you sign up, you can click explore widgets here. And then as you can see, you can have a lot of options here. So we're gonna search for business hours widget. So you can just go to tools categories here, and then if you scroll down, you will find business hours. Click on it. And as you can see, you can create widget for free. You can click on it. And now you can set the style or the template. Maybe like this or like this. It's up to you. I'm gonna make it simple. I'm gonna choose this one. Click continue. And then you can set it up, it's up to you. After you set it up, the style, the layout, and other uh, thing, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. If you think all good, you can just click publish, and then you can pick the plan. I'm gonna choose the free one, and then you will get the code. You can copy the code, and then go back to your website editor, and you can paste the code here and wait for a few seconds until it appears in your website editor. And as you can see, it's appeared like this, and it's perfect. You can also try another template. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.